Hello children, today we are going to start with the new lesson, that is mensuration. Children, in this lesson we are going to find out area and perimeter of different quadrilaterals. In the first exercise we are going to learn the perimeter and area of a square and a rectangle. Now what is the area of a square? That is A into A, that is A square. What is the area of a rectangle? Its length into breadth. What is the perimeter of a square? That is 4 into A. And the perimeter of a rectangle is 2L plus B. Using this formula we are going to solve the first exercise. Here I have taken the first sum of the exercise, that is perimeter. A square and a rectangular field with measurement as given in the figure have same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? Now it is told that perimeter of a square and perimeter of a rectangle is equal. Now let us see what is the perimeter of a square. That is 4 into side. So what is side given of the square? That is 60 meter. Now 4 into 60, that gives you 240 meter. Next, perimeter of a rectangle is also same of square. So that is 240. Use the formula. 240 is equal to 2L plus B. L is given, that is 80. Replace the value of L there and find out B. That gives you 40 meter. Now we know the length and breadth of the rectangle. Using that we are going to find out the area of square and the rectangle. So area of square is side into side, that is 60 into 60, that gives you 3600 meter square. And area of a rectangle, that is L into B, that is 80 into 40, that is 3200 meter square. So the square field has 3600 meter square area, so that is a larger area. Now let us go to the next question of that. The question is, Mr. Kaushik has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the figure. She wanted to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 per meter square. You can see the plot, children. It is a square plot and the house is constructed inside the plot, that is in the rectangular plot. Now so the area of the garden is, if you remove the area of the house, you will get the area of that garden. So how you are going to find out? Area of the garden is equal to area of the total plot minus area of the house. So area of the plot is 25 into 25, that is 625, and area of the house is 30, that is 20 into 15, that is 300 meter square. So area of the garden is 625 minus 300, that gives you 325 meter square. So you have to find out now the cost of developing the garden. The cost is given, that is 55 rupees per meter square. So 325 is the area into 55, that gives you 17,875 rupees is the cost of developing the garden. Now let us go to the next exercise, children. In the exercise 9.2, we are going to find out the area of trapezium, area of parallelogram. Now here I have taken the question number 3. The question is like this, children. The length of a fence of a trapezium shaped field ABCD is 120 meters. If BC is 48 meters, CD is 17 meters, AD is 40 meters, find the area of this field. Side AB is perpendicular to the parallel side AD and BC. Now you know, children, in a trapezium only one pair will be parallel and the other two are not parallel. To find out the area of the trapezium, we are going to use the formula half into height plus sum of the parallel side. First here the perimeter is given, that is 120 meters, and 3 sides are given, and the fourth side which is not given, that we have to find out. So how you are going to find out? From the perimeter, if you subtract all 3 sides, we will get the third side. So from 120, if you subtract all these 3 sides, we will get 15 is the side of that fourth side which is missing, and that is the height of that trapezium. Now using that, we are going to find out the area of the trapezium, that is half into height into sum of the parallel side. So half, as it is height we got, that is AD, AB as 50, and plus parallel sides are AD and BC, that is 48 plus 40. So when you do that, you will get 660 meter square is the area of that trapezium. Let's go to the next question, that is fourth one. The diagonal of a quadrilateral shaped field is 20 meters, and the perpendicular dropped on it from the remaining opposite vertices are 8 meter and 13 meters. Find the area of the field. Now you can see this in your textbook also, children. It is a quadrilateral, and it is divided into 2 different triangles, and the base line is 20. The triangle's base is 24, and height of one triangle is 13 meter and the other is 8 meter. So if you add these 2 triangles area, you will get the area of this trapezium. Sorry, it's not trapezium, it's a quadrilateral. So area of the quadrilateral is area of the first triangle plus area of the second triangle. So first triangle, half base into height, that is 24 into 30, and the other is base into height, that is 24 into 8. That gives you 156 is first triangle and 96 is the second triangle. That is 252 meter square is the area of that quadrilateral. Next, question number 6. The question is, find the area of a rhombus whose side is 5 cm and whose altitude is 4.8 cm. If one of its diagonal is 8 cm long, find the length of other diagonal. Now children, to find out the area of the rhombus, we should know the 2 diagonals, but here only one diagonal is given. So instead of using the rhombus formula, we are going to consider this rhombus as a parallelogram, because the base and height is given, and rhombus is special parallelogram, so you can use that formula also. So here I have used that formula of area of parallelogram, that is base into height. So base is 5 cm and height is 4.8, that gives you 24 cm square, that is area of that rhombus. Now using that area, we are going to find out the other diagonal. So what is the area of the rhombus formula? Half into product of 2 diagonals. So as area we know that is 24 is equal to half into product of 2 diagonals. One diagonal is given, that is 8, and the other diagonal we are going to consider as x. So when you solve that, you will get as 6 cm as the other diagonal, children. Next, go to the 8th question, that is regarding its trapezium. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the 2 parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side of along the river. Now here you can see it in the textbook, children. The figure which is given, that is in the shape of trapezium. So one parallel side is there, that we are going to consider as x, and the other side which is not given, that we are going to consider that as 3x. So area of the trapezium is half into height into sum of the parallel side. So area is given, that is 10,500 is equal to half into 100 is the height, that is distance between the parallel side, into x plus 3x. So that gives you 3x, x value as 70. So one side is 70, the other side has to be double of it, that is 140 meters. Let us do ninth question of this exercise, children. The question is, top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. You can see it in the figure, children. I have drawn it. The octagonal is a regular octagon. So all the 8 sides are of 5 centimeters. So I have divided that into 3 parts. That is, the first part is that middle part, that is a rectangular, and the other 2 parts are in the shape of trapezium. So there are 2 trapezium and 1 rectangle. So to find out the area of 2 trapezium, that is 2 into area of trapezium, and area of the rectangle, that's L into B. Using that formula, if you do, you will get the area of those 2 triangle as trapezium as 64, and area of that rectangle is 55. Together it is 119 meters square. So the area of that octagonal surface is 119 meters square. Here we end with the second exercise, children. The next is with solid shape. We are going to learn the volume of different types of solid figures. So we'll stop here, complete the exercise. If any doubt, let me know.